Hi, ThatPaulGuy. As some of you may know that have paid attention to the tutorials or anything that I've been doing on this channel, I've been working quite a bit with Java and changing over IDEs as well as doing some hardware changes in my PC and things of that nature. One of the things I most recently did was change to a solid state drive instead of my mechanical hard drive, and so I had to reinstall Windows and a few other things. In doing that, I had to go back and reinstall the IDEs that I was working on, namely Eclipse and NetBeans. But what struck me is that I didn't really explain before, in case anybody got stuck, how to reinstall Java. The most important thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to Oracle, or just type in Java, and you'll be taken to Oracle's website, and you'll actually download Java. You want it version 7 or version 8. I would stick with version 8. That's the furthest along that is supported with most of the IDEs. So I'm not going to show you how to do all that. You ought to be able to figure that out. But what I am going to show you is that it's not too clear on some of the tutorials what to do past that. So the little gear icon is going to go to your settings, and from there I would just type in Advanced System Settings, and you'll see where it says View Advanced System Settings. When you do that, it's going to pull you up something that looks very much like this. In fact, it ought to look exactly like that. Now, the two things that we're going to do here is we're going to have to set the path and the class path for Java so that those IDEs, any IDE you're trying to use, will know where to look for Java. For some reason, Java seems to be one of the only ones, or the only programming languages, that you actually have to set all the paths and everything. It doesn't automatically do it. So we're going to go ahead and click on environmental variables. You can see it's already highlighted. It probably will be on yours as well. And you can look to see, in this case, I actually already have both of them set up, but I'm going to show you where to find them. In my case, for the first one, we're going to set path. You're going to have to follow into Program Files, Java. You can see this is the JDK. It's the Developer's Kit 1.8, and that's a version 8. And it happens to be revision 191. They're constantly making small revisions, but the most important thing is you're working in Java 8 right here. You're going to click on Bin, and then when you have that, you're going to go New, and you'll be able to type in here path. In my case, I already have a path. It's already set, and it's set to that location. So you can just copy this. You can copy it as a text or whatever and put it right back in there. Oops, wrong one. You can copy that and then put it right in this variable value right here. That's going to be path. And to do the other one, you're going to go back out of this. You're going to go to LIB, or the library. And I got to go back and get that again. Advanced. Environmental variables. New. And I would write class path, just like this is right here. And you can see that it points directly to this library file here. So again, you can just click on that. You can copy it. There's a multitude of different ways you can do that. You'll type that into variable value. You'll spell out class path just like it is here in all large letters, all capital letters. It's very important for that, because when the IDE, whether it be Eclipse or whether it be NetBeans or what have you, go to look for that, that's where it's going to go look to find those. It's going to go look to find the class path in the library file, and it's going to go to find a path in the bin file, which is that right there. So you can see mine's actually set up for 2, because I do actually have 2 paths that it can look. If it doesn't find the project in one, it's going to automatically look in the other. It's a little bit more complicated than it has to be. It really only needs one of those locations. So don't think that you have to copy more than one thing over. You're going to look in Program Files, Java, and then look for that JDK 8 or the JDK 1.8. You can also do it with version 7, but I would go ahead and recommend version 8. If anybody has any questions, any thoughts or whatever, I'll be glad to try to help them through it. I just want to do that quickly, since I was already messing around with some stuff and I had not mentioned it before, so I thought it might be kind of relevant in case anybody was stuck doing it. So as always, folks, hit the little red icon down at the bottom to subscribe. If you want to hit the bell icon, that'll let you know when I'm doing more videos. And likes and dislikes and comments are always welcome. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later, and thanks a lot.